Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you are a returning viewer, thanks for watching, thanks for coming back. Today I'm doing a quick unpacking of these HDX water filter. These are supposed to be a replacement for these models in Whirlpool and these models in Kenmore. Actually, the model that I will be replacing is the EDR1RDXD1. This is the original. I replaced it not even 2 months ago, and the issue that I'm having is that I think it might have been defective because the flow of water is very, very weak, and when the ice maker is making hollow blocks of ice. So I don't believe that the water is that contaminated, because I had aftermarkets and I had this one, which is actually the one I replaced with the new one, there for almost a year, and once the pressure started getting weaker and weaker, I decided to replace it. They say 6 months, and that depends on how many gallons of water you consume, which a year we definitely didn't even get close, but because of the flow was weak. Now let me give you an example of what's going on. So that is a very weak stream. So I figured I try to get the original ones that I did a review on the channel previously. I'll put a link in the description, and Amazon, which I actually did a video where I opened them up and compared them to the original Kenmore, and they were identical, the materials, and they even met the specs. You know, these are tested. These HDX ones says that it filters out all of these different contaminants, which is lead, mercury. I'll scroll down slowly so you could see, and I'm gonna replace this. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. See, so here it says 6 months or 200 gallons. So if you don't use the 200 gallons, sometimes you can go beyond that, but it's recommended, I guess, because the effectiveness of the filtration is not the same. So that's the recommendation. I'm gonna go and change it and see. I'm gonna take it out of the package and compare them side by side, and then install it. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. You just put your in here, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna separate it from the paperwork here. Just pull it out. Yeah, that is always gonna happen when you're filming, right? So this is what they look like. Has a little loop here, I guess you could pull it out. And this is the model EQ1. So we'll put it side by side with the Kenmore. Kenmore Maytag. This is what they look like side by side. These have the O-rings already pre-installed. And then this one has a little clip here, which this one doesn't have. This one already has. And I'm wondering about this right here, right? It says it's a replacement, so we're gonna find out. All right, so this is the way we replace it. We just pull it out. It's pointing up, and that's the direction that we're supposed to install the new one. I'm gonna remove these caps. And oh, it was air sealed. Okay, it kind of, so this looks like it goes, the arrows are pointing upward. If you look in there, and if you can see it, it has the 3-prong, that little stud, and then these two, and then this goes pointing up. So let's see if this is true. You know, you'll be the first. Okay, it looks like it went in and it clicked. Okay, so now I'm gonna test this. Okay, for the moment of truth, I'm gonna put the cup here. Let's see how the stream is. That's the way this water should be flowing. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run these for 3 gallons of water because I'm supposed to flush it. And I'll give an update once we've been using this for a month or two and see if these last longer than the original one. All right, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned to the channel for more updates.